Most people get this wrong. They assume Amory Pay Later is just another buy now pay later platform with hidden fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's a modern financial tool offering flexible installment payments, spending insights, and budget tracking to help you manage larger purchases responsibly. Here's how it works. Amory Pay Later lets you split purchases into smaller payments over weeks or months. This is perfect for electronics, furniture, or other high-ticket items without straining your monthly budget. Payments are tracked within the app, and reminders help you avoid late fees. The platform also offers spending insights. You can see upcoming obligations, track total payments, and adjust your plan if needed. This makes it more than a BNPL service, it's a financial management tool. The downside, overuse can lead to fees or interest. It works best for planned or essential purchases, not daily expenses or impulsive buys. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only use for planned or necessary purchases. 2. Track payments and enable reminders. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance. Who benefits most? Steady earners who want flexible payment options for larger purchases. Users with irregular income or repayment challenges may face additional costs. In conclusion, Amory Pay Later in 2026 is flexible, practical, and user-friendly, but only if used wisely. Track your spending, plan payments, and treat it as a helpful financial tool. Subscribe for honest app reviews and money management tips.